Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can change the text font or font style for text boxes in the Adalo app builder. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the app project you're working on Adalo, and let me zoom in to an example text box like this one here, for instance. So left click into it to access its settings. Here under setup, what you want to do is click into the formatting tab. And here guys, you will see the text weight and the font itself. It is set to system standard font, but you can go with one of these or click into change fonts here and then navigate to the library here and go through that list. As you can see, I have currently access to these 5 fonts with my account status. So let me switch to that one. For instance, for the body, then you can do the same for the headings and so on and so forth. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.